guys! This is a requested video and I was asked to make a large, unique flower vase for a foyer area in the home using mirrors. This is what I came up with and I really want to share with you guys how I made this because I really love the way it turned out. Now the first thing that I did was to take a foam board and I drew out 2 circles with these measurements. After that, I made the inner circles. I carved out the shapes and then I kept them aside. I then cut out 2 pieces from a trifle board and then I'm just adding them together because I need a long length for the outer parts of the design. And now I'm going to be folding it, and this is so that I can have a curve to make it easier for me to attach it at the outer parts for the design. This is for the outer circle, and then I cut a shorter length and did the same thing for the inner circle. And now I'm going to be gluing all the pieces together to build up the design. A full list of all the items used for this project will be in the description box below. I won't be covering the whole thing because I will need a little bit of space where the flowers can go through. And now I'm going to be gluing the remaining part. I locate the middle, at the bottom, and then I'm making a mark. And that's where I'm going to be gluing down this piece, just so that I can have a more flushed or a leveled base. And now I'm going to be covering all the edges with tape. This is just to cover up the rough edges that we have around the design. But then there are other alternative ways of doing this, so please feel free to use whichever method that you feel is better for you. I did this all around and then I covered the level that I put at the bottom to form the base, just to make sure that it's smooth also. I measured and I cut out pieces from a poster board, and then I'm going to be covering the outer circle and the inner circle. This is the shorter one for the inner circle, and then I spray painted the whole design silver. I used this bead to glue it at the outer circle and the inner circle. And then I took these mirrors, the 2-inch mirrors and the 1-inch mirrors, and I'm going to be gluing them all around, starting with the larger mirrors. At this point where the mirror didn't fit, I just glued it on top of the other 2 mirrors and it was okay. And now I'm just going to be gluing down the smaller mirrors in between the larger mirrors. We're done with the first set of the small mirrors, and now we're going to be gluing down the second sets. This is going to be glued in between the first set of the smaller mirrors. You're going to be doing the same thing for the other side. I got some rocks that I will be putting inside of the vase to give it more balance and more stability. The opening that I created for easy passage for the flowers is kind of bare, so I will be using the outer parts of this tray to cover it up. And now I cut out extra beads to cover up the openings at the sides. I'll be using small and large gems to cover up the spaces, starting with the larger gems and then finishing up with the smaller ones. And this is what it looks like. This is such a unique and an interesting flower vase, and it's befitting for a foyer area in the home. I am so glad that I picked up this request, because now after I've made this, I can keep it all to myself. You can put in all kinds of flowers and it's still gonna look real pretty. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this awesome unique mirrored flower vase, and if it's something you'd like to try out in your home. And remember to like and share. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.